In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the perfect Canva glow up in just 5 minutes. Whether you're designing social media graphics, invitations, or presentations, adding a glow effect can make your images stand out. Let's dive right into the process, starting with the fundamentals to achieve that captivating glow look. First, go ahead and click on the image you want to enhance. This step is essential as it selects the specific element you wish to apply the glow effect on. Once your image is selected, the next step is to click on Edit. You'll typically find this option in the toolbar above your Canva workspace. This opens up various settings and tools, allowing you to tweak your image's properties for optimal enhancement. Now, with your editing panel open, focus on the Shadows button. By selecting Shadows, you'll be introduced to different options for shadow effects, one of which is Glow. Click on Glow to activate this intriguing effect. The glow effect is versatile. It's not just about adding color behind an object, it's about creating an outline that emphasizes your image, making it visually striking. Once the glow effect is active, let's focus on its customization options to make it your own. Begin by adjusting the size of the glow. Depending on your image or design, you might want a subtle outline or a bold one. Use the size slider to increase or decrease how much the glow expands around your image. Following size, we have another important setting, blur. Blur controls how sharp or diffused the glow appears. A higher blur setting results in a softer edge, making the glow look more spread out and gentle. Conversely, lowering the blur setting provides a sharp, concentrated outline. This feature allows you to tailor the glow's appearance to suit your design's needs perfectly. Next, if you wish to add a personalized touch, try changing the glow's color. By clicking on color, you can select from a wide palette of hues. Opt for colors that complement your image or align with your overall design theme, ensuring the glow enhances rather than overshadows your primary colors. Finally, there's the intensity option, which determines how bright and noticeable the glow is. Adjust the intensity slider to find the perfect balance. Too low, and the glow might seem non-existent; too high, and it could overpower your design. Finding that sweet spot enhances your image dramatically. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and customize a glow effect in Canva in just a few simple steps. Remember, the key to a flawless glow is experimentation. Don't hesitate to play around with the settings until you find a combination that resonates with your creative vision. Happy designing,